kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some buttermilk fried chicken. Yes, who doesn't like a good fried chicken? I know I do. So guys, in my bowl right here I've got 4 chicken quarter that I cut in 2 pieces, leg and thigh. Okay, and these are all of my seasoning that I'm gonna use. So here I have 1 teaspoon of my onion salt, 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. I also have 1 teaspoon of my complete seasoning and 1 teaspoon of my Old Bay seasoning. And guys, you can use whatever season you have, okay? I also have some sazon season, and that's just 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, that's just over 1 tablespoon. I love garlic powder in my fried chicken. It makes it taste super delicious. I also have just over 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning. So guys, I notice I get a lot of comment, people asking me what is complete seasoning. So this is the complete seasoning that I normally use in my videos, adobo. Okay, yes, that's the brand. And that's the sazon. This is just gonna give your chicken a nice color, so that's the reason why I'm using it also. But as I said, you can use whichever season you have. So guys, first thing I want to do, I want to blend all my seasoning together. And notice I haven't added no salt because I already add onion and salt seasoning all mixed together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it all in. I'm just gonna add some olive oil, at least 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. I'm just gonna add my seasoning, but I'm not gonna add all of it, just, you know, just some. And guys, my chicken is already washed and clean, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my hand, and you want to just, you know, massage all those seasoning all over on your chicken. And don't be scared guys to lift up the skin, and make sure that right underneath the skin is all covered with the seasoning. So that's done. So guys, here I have my buttermilk, and this is over 2 cups. I also have ½ cup of my hot pepper sauce, and you can use whichever hot pepper sauce you have, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my hot pepper sauce to my buttermilk, just like so. Then I'm also gonna add some of that seasoning. Just like so. Just gonna mix it all in.
And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes.
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour all that buttermilk all on my chicken, just like so. And guys, you can leave it in your fridge for at least 4 to 24 hours, okay? So your chicken will be nice and juicy. You don't have to keep it in the fridge for so long. I think even 2 hours, 1 hour should be fine. It's all up to you how long you want to wait. That's done. So now I'm just gonna take my hand and just make sure all the chicken is all covered in all that yummy buttermilk. I'm gonna cover it with a cling film. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 3 cups of plain flour. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all my seasoning. You can also add some cornstarch, but I'm not gonna add no cornstarch today, and it's still gonna be crispy. It doesn't really matter. And now I'm just gonna mix it all in. You want to make sure that everything is all combined. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be so yummy. I cannot wait to heat this fried chicken because I know it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So that's done, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and share this video. I appreciate it. So guys, once your chicken has marinated, I'm just gonna remove the cling film. Just gonna allow it to drip. Then I'm just gonna add it to my flour mixture, just like so. You want to make sure that you squeeze that flour all in your chicken so it's stick. Yeah. And at this moment guys, make sure that your pot is heated up with your oil. See that? Perfect. You just want to carry on with the same process. Okay, put it to my plate.
The kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious.
So guys, all my chicken is all coated and this is what it look like. So now I'm just gonna hurry up and fry it. Okay, so stay tuned guys. I'm just gonna deep fry my chicken. You can also shallow fry it also. So now that my oil is all heated up, I'm just gonna add scotch bonnet pepper, which is totally optional. I just want to see how hot my oil is also, so that's the reason why I had it. Sometimes if you bust open the scotch bonnet pepper, it can, you know, put flavor, bring flavor in your oil for it to, you know, be a bit spicy. But I'm not gonna burst it. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken. Take your time. Oops. You don't want to overfill your pot. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to fry it for at least 10 minutes, okay? So guys, my chicken been frying for at least 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna gently turn it like. Look at that guys. Beautiful color, nice and golden. So I'm just turning it over. So now guys, my chicken has fried and I'm just going to remove it and add it to my cooling rack. So nice and so golden guys. Now I'm just going to add my remaining chicken.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a go on.
So guys, my buttermilk fried chicken is all finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it came out super delicious. It looks so nice and so golden, and it is so crispy. This recipe guys is a must try. Your families, everyone is gonna enjoy it. It's so yummy. Don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Thank you all.
Straight from the kitchen.
So guys, if you're looking for a nice and crispy and tasty fried chicken, look no further. This recipe is the one. If you try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm just gonna add some hot sauce on my fried chicken, and guys, it's super yummy. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. It is cooked to perfection guys. In the middle of it is so nice and so moist and so juicy. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you guys. Look at that, super delicious, perfectly cooked. It is just mouth watering, so good. Anyway guys, I got to go.